Introducing the Good Decision microfiber cloth, using the 8-sided method. Each color is used in its designated area, as per healthcare guidelines. Blue for general, low-risk areas. Red for sanitary areas. Green for general food preparation and kitchen areas. Yellow for clinical and isolation areas. Today, we'll show you the correct way to use them. Fold the cloth in half, then in half again, creating 8 distinct cleaning surfaces. Start by placing the cloth in the bucket, fully submerge it to ensure even saturation, then wring out any excess water before use. Clean the surface using a figure of 8, using the first face of the cloth. Start at the top and work down using a single side. Turn the cloth over, to move on to the next area. Repeat this process until all 8 sides have been used. Never place a used cloth back in the bucket due to cross-contamination. Always ensure that used cloths are disposed of correctly.